Pasko na naman. 13th month pay, may bonus pa. Pero bakit ang bilis maubos? Alam mo na, bagong gadget, regalo sa sarili, travel at kung ano-ano pa. Pero teka lang, gusto mo bang maging one-day millionaire o long-term wealth builder? Ganito ang gawin mo para hindi agad maubos ang 13th month pay o bonus mo. Step 1, automate your future. Bago ka pa gumastos, ilagay mo muna ang parte ng bonus sa investments mo. That way, kung maubos mo man, may naitabi ka pa rin. Out of sight, out of spend. Step 2, spend it wisely. Remember, pagdating sa luho, kurot lang, huwag dakot. Pwede mo rin gamitin ang 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, ayan yung bills mo o pambayad sa utang kung meron man. 30% for wants, it's okay to enjoy, pero dapat may limit. And 20% for savings and investments. Future mo yan, kaya dapat unahin mo. And step 3, reward wisely. Wala namang masamang mag-reward. Pero piliin mo rin yung may long-term value, like learning a new skill, upgrading your gear, or starting a side hustle. Remember, bonuses are not free money. They can be growth fuel as well. Pwedeng maging one-day happiness yan o lifetime advantage. So this year, bago mo gastusin lahat yan, ask yourself, will this make me richer or just happier for a day? Do you want more financial tips? Don't forget to follow Ramper Financials for more.